Hey everybody, this is Daniel here from Screenly. We're really excited to show you how to display a Domo data dashboard on a Screenly digital sign. Domo is one of the leaders in business intelligence and data dashboard platforms, and showing your Domo dashboards on a digital sign is a really important workflow for managing your team and your business. So let's jump into it. So if you don't already, you can sign up for a Screenly free trial, free for 30 days, no credit card required. And once you do that, log into your online Screenly account, and you'll want to click on the Screens tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Then we're going to click the Add Screen button. And what this shows us is a variety of ways that we can add a screen with a physical device called a Screenly Player, or a web-based browser, or even using an Android app on an Android device. In this demo, we're going to be using a Screenly Anywhere browser-based screen. And so to do that, click on the icon here on Screenly Anywhere, and then we're going to go to anywhere.screenly.io. And what this does is it opens up a browser window, which is our browser-based screen and where our content will display. But we need to pair this browser-based window with our online Screenly account. So we're going to put in the unique pairing code here, U7KE. Okay, let's put that in, U7KE. And then the second part, G4YK. G4YK. And we can just call that test screen. Okay, and we're going to click add. Perfect. Okay, and so that added the test screen to our account. We can see that here. And the next part here is that we need to add content to our screen. However, we're going to do that through an Edge app, which allows us to display embeddable iframes as our content. And so click on the Edge apps tab here on the left-hand side of the screen. And then on the right side, click the plus Edge app button. And then in the new modal, we're going to click iframe app, and we're going to click create. Okay, and we can call this Domo Edge app in the name field, and then in the iframe URL field, we need to get that from Domo. So go to Domo and go to your account, log in, and then what we have here are our example dashboards. So we're click on the dashboard that you want to display. We have example marketing dashboard in this case, and then on the top right, click the share icon here, and we're then in the pop-up here, we're going to click share. Okay. Oh, no, so click the share icon, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go down here to Domo Everywhere. We're going to click Embed Dashboard. And in the pop-up window, there's some options here on the left-hand side. Click them if they're relevant, like showing the title if you want to do that. But the important thing here is in embed options, you want to make sure that you select public. And then in the share link here, just click the copy button, and then we can go back to our online Screenly account. And we're going to paste that URL in the tab here, and we're going to click install button on the top right. Install. Perfect. Okay, so now that we have our Domo Edge app installed, we can see that there is that Domo Edge app content. Perfect. And we have playlist and screen. So we've added the screen, and the next step is to add a playlist. So how it works in Screenly is you add content to the playlist, and then you can assign that playlist to certain screens. So let's do that now. So click playlist on the left-hand side. On the top right, click the plus new playlist button, and we can call this playlist Domo playlist. Okay, on the plays on, we need to make sure that we have selected our test screen that we recently added. We're going to click the save button. Okay, just loading here. All right, in the schedule, we want to select the date prior to the current date so that the content displays. And then in the content section, we're going to click the plus button, and we can select the Domo Edge app that we just made. Click the plus button, and then down below, click the done button. And it's super important that we click save here on the bottom right. You'll also see duration. So if you have multiple content items, you can select the duration that each one plays for. However, in this case, since it's just one, it will loop continuously. But be sure to press save. And so that's it. So we did a few things. We added a test screen. We then added a Edge app for iframe, and we added the Domo embeddable link into that iframe Edge app, and that was then accessible as content. And then we created a playlist, and we assigned the test screen to that playlist, and then we also put our Domo Edge app content in there. And so that's it. So your Domo dashboard will then display on your browser base screen beautifully. And so you can display this, of course, on any device that can display a modern web browser. So if that's like a smart TV, for example, it's a really great way to show your dashboard in your place of work so that the people who the people to whom that data is important can see it and make decisions based on it. So, so that's it. Thanks for joining us today on our tutorial on how to show Domo dashboards on your Screenly digital signs. We have a ton of other tutorials, and we look forward to having you join on the next one. Thanks.